What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony II, and we're back again with another video. I hope y'all missed me because I missed y'all too. And this is a special video, so just a quick update. I probably won't be doing 3 videos a week. It's just too much for me to do, just be honest with y'all. So I'm gonna try to go back to just being consistent, at least getting 1 video out a week. Sometimes y'all get bonuses, but I gotta figure out how to manage personal life, all that jazz. This is just a part of it, but we're gonna get back on into things. So this video is special because this is a lens that we're about to unbox that I've wanted for a while. It's actually the lens that made me want to jump into the RF landscape because it's a one-of-a-kind lens. You know, it's one of those times when the manufacturers, Canon, Sony, whoever, they just dump whatever they can do into a project and they see if people will love it. And so I'm really excited about it. Part of the reason I don't have a RF 24-70, I do have a Tamron 24-70, and it's cool, but I'll be honest with you, since I started using the 51.2 with the RF mount, that Tamron is like, it's just slower. It's not catching everything as easily, and I can just kind of feel it. So I've been using the 50 a whole lot more. Shoot, I actually think it's worth. I think the 24-105 is actually doing a better job of autofocusing than the Tamron VC right now. And this is probably, you know, having to use an adapter, and it's a Tamron on a Canon, all that jazz, which I don't even think Tamron or Sigma are really making RF lenses yet. So, you know, just technology, right? Things move forward. So that lens has served me well for a very long time. But what I'm excited about to use this one-of-a-kind lens is that I want to use the 28-70 f2. So we're gonna unbox that real quick, and then we're gonna talk about some feelings. Get into the feelings. So we'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna get into the unboxing. So one, shout out to B&H for getting this. It actually took. Oh, this is loud. Give me a second. See this thing? I'm so excited. Just so y'all know, this thing was back ordered for a while. It actually took me quite a bit of time to actually get this lens in. So I'm really excited. It's probably the last thing I'm buying. It's really probably the last thing I can afford to buy this year for gear wise. I've been buying a lot of gear this year. But yeah, so right here, here's the box. And we're going to take this out. You know, it's the regular stuff. We've seen it all before. Warranty information, some type of note, bag. It's always nice to have a bag. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used your camera bag that came with your camera? I haven't. Ever. Like, never. So y'all let me know if y'all have ever used y'all's. Alright, cool. We got phone. Then we get our cap. Now, one thing, I think this is like a 90 millimeter element in front. So like, you see how big this thing is? Huge. This lens cap is a pretty wide lens cap. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look, everyone has said that this is heavy, but this is heavy. So this thing is definitely heavy. This, I'm not sure if it's because it's compact, but this feels like the heaviest lens I have ever had. Jesus Christ. This thing is a weight. This thing is a weight, and it's big, it's chunky. All right, let me see. There's nothing else in this box. So we're gonna put that down. Jesus Christ. This is just like, Canon just was like, let's do everything we can with a lens and see what happens. This thing is huge, y'all. Now, like, I just want to go ahead and give y'all comparisons, right? So this is a 28-70. This is a Tamron 24-70 right here. So you already see like how big it is. This is the 50 millimeter right here. You still huge, and I got the, you don't even need to see anything else. But like, yeah, this thing is huge. Lordy. But it feels good. It feels good. It's just heavy. So we're gonna, okay, so you got a short throw right there, which is good. I don't really like a very long throw. 28 to 7. Yeah, this weight gonna have to be something. I thought the 70 to 200 was a lot. This thing crazy, y'all. Alright, cool. I'm gonna put this on. Let's see what we're gonna do. So right here, this is the 24 to 70 F4. Excuse me, not 24 to 7, 24 to 105 F4. I got a lens cap back here. Can I give y'all a weird fun fact? I don't like how the RF mount caps fit on the back. Like, it doesn't feel nice to me. I feel like the EF cap had a better touch. And I'll probably complain about that later. But yeah, so just so y'all know, this is what this looks like. This is the 24 to 105. And this is the 28 to 70. This thing is huge, y'all. This looks like, you know those cups that look like lenses or coffee mugs? This is what this look like it's based on. Oh, can I even just leave this on the camera? Oh my God, this thing is a weapon. It's a telescope. Look at that. So we just gonna get that. Y'all, okay, look, it's heavy, but I think it might be worth it. I think it might just be worth it. But Jesus Christ. All right, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with this, and then we're gonna jump back into it. All right, cool. 3, 2, 1. All right, so I hope you love that quick unboxing video. So now we're just gonna talk about some quick thoughts about it. So one, it's very heavy. That may be the heaviest lens that I've ever had, and I love my 7200. And it may be held heavy because of it's stocky, right? And so it's about this big, but it's all the weights right there. Versus in the 7200, there's a lot more. It's spaced out a little bit more. I'm really happy I have a battery grip for my R5, because if I didn't, I would be very concerned about just the weight balance of it, how it's pulling, because it's so front heavy. Autofocus is way faster than the 24 to 70 that I have, the Tamron VC. It's definitely showing up easily on that. I just took a couple quick pictures and I can already kind of feel the difference. But I'm kind of excited to put this lens through the paces. As y'all know, I was a 1DX. I still have my 1DX Mark III. I love it. But I'm used to a heavier setup. I think this setup is a little interesting because it's how weight forward it is. But yeah, I'm curious to see how this works out in the field. I'm actually going out of town tomorrow, so I'm going to take some shots, see what type of storytelling I can use, but I'm gonna be using that lens. Just to note, like, if you're thinking about getting the same lens, it took me 2 months to get this lens. I ordered at the end of February, yes. So maybe a month and a half, something like that. Around mid-February, I ordered, and it's now April 28th, and I'm just not getting it. So just also something to know, still a shortage on lenses, X, Y, and Z. So if you want to get it, you kind of need to commit to it on the front end. That's how you just okay with the weight. But yeah, this is all I got, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Grateful to everyone who has liked and subscribed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Oh, I did want to mention, part of the reason why I got this lens is because I am considering going completely mirrorless. I may wait for the 1DX Mark III, the R1. That's what it will probably be, R1 to go out. But I might trade in my 1DX Mark III, possibly get another R5, maybe a R6, something like that. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out. But if I do need to move everything to mirrorless. And be honest with y'all, I'm really thinking that it's not gonna be a lighter kit, but it will be a more condensed kit. You know, to have that smaller 70 to 200, to have this 28 to 70, it just eliminates a lot. And if I have the 50mm, the 28 to 70, and the 70 to 200, that's the perfect bag for me. I don't need anything else. Be for real with you, I probably would leave some things often, but I think having one of the two. Usually I'm with a 70-200 or 50, or I'm with the 24 to 70 and the 50. very rarely it's the 70-200 and 28-70 or 24-70. So I think that's my trinity, my personal trinity. But let me know what y'all think. Think I should stay? Think I should go? Let me know. But y'all have a great rest of your day. It's Dean Charles Anthony II, and I'm out.